Thalapathy government in Tamil Nadu comes to power. TVK boss becomes chief minister in MGR like fate. From reels to real, watch Vijay's political deal. Style with substance is Vijay's new politics. New CM, new style, new political path. Breaking old rules, building new politics. Less rivalry, more delivery for Tamil Nadu. Thalapathy Vijay has seemingly challenged the very political culture of India because what we are witnessing in Tamil Nadu right now feels very different from the politics India is used to. He went to the DMK boss home, even hugging Udyanidhi and meeting the chief minister he replaced MK Stalin. He also visited the offices of Communist parties, Congress and VCK. And now he will soon travel to New Delhi to meet Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Here are some of Vijay's moves which are doing justice to his title Thalapathy. Meetings for chief ministers are not unusual, but usually when a leader comes to power, the first few hours are filled with power shows, victory parades, aggressive messaging and political attacks. But Vijay's moves right from the oath-taking ceremony have surprised even political observers. His simple and different style of dressing is being seen as a signal that he wants to change the political culture in Tamil Nadu. Following the same, after the swearing-in ceremony, he chose communication instead of confrontation. Instead of attacking rivals, he started meeting leaders across the political spectrum, signaling that the Thalapathy government isn't about bitter rivalry but actions. For his first order, he took a hit on the state's excise revenue for what he believes is right. CM Vijay directed the shutdown of 717 Tasmac liquor outlets located within 500 meters of temples, schools and bus stands across the state. The closures must be completed within 2 weeks. I am like your son, your brother. When Vijay said it, it was not just a dialogue. He had already proven it, even before TVK swept the polls. From reels to real life, Vijay's dialogues have remained consistent. For years, political parties have been giving tickets to the same old and familiar faces, but Vijay showed confidence in young leaders. A 29-year-old former political consultant and digital campaign strategist S. Kirtana won TVK's Sivakasi assembly seat.
Everything gonna change, and the change is here. The Thalapathy Chief Minister Joseph Vijay is here, and tremendous.
Meanwhile, 30-year-old R. Sabrinathan, the son of Vijay's driver, secured the Virugambakam constituency. The actor turned politician also showed he was willing to compromise for allies, and the first example was Ricky Radhan. TVK revoked its controversial order appointing Chief Minister Vijay's astrologer Ricky Radhan Pandit as official on special duty, following growing political criticism and uproar inside the assembly during the crucial floor test of the newly formed TVK government. The decision came just hours after opposition parties and even some allies of the ruling alliance questioned the appointment, calling it inappropriate and embarrassing for a constitutional office. The appointment triggered sharp reactions during the assembly proceedings, with parties asking why an astrologer was being given an influential administrative position in the Chief Minister's office. TVK's allies worried it would send a message enforcing a pseudoscience. Then, the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Vijay went viral when he was spotted attentively taking handwritten notes during an assembly session. Sitting in the Legislative Assembly at Fort St. George, Vijay was seen carefully listening to opposition leaders including PMK MLA Soumya Anubhamani and jotting down notes. The rare sight of a chief minister methodically taking notes received widespread praise online. Many supporters viewed it as a calm and highly focused approach to governance following his successful floor test and his new role leading the TVK party. Whether Vijay's new political approach is just a show to connect with the public or whether he is genuinely keeping his promises, only time will tell.